I am happy to say I am here today not to accept a medal, but to announce one. I am delighted to present to you the Stephen Hawking Medal for Science Communication.
The Stephen Hawking Medal, which will be awarded for the first time at Starmus III, and it will be awarded to the human being who, by his sharing of science and music with us all, is the greatest inspiration to the next generation of artists, scientists.
Little history of this very big medal. I did a sketch portrait of Steve Hawking. When I showed this portrait to Stephen, I saw very big smile.
This medal is for those who promote science, who communicate science.
A real honor. Thank you all very much indeed. I will really treasure this. Thank you.
We're very grateful for everybody who has chosen us and who has supported this film. Thank you.
Starmus is it. Forget the Oscars. This is the place.
Coming from you, this medal is probably the most precious award I will ever receive.
There is a curiosity that still burns within us, even if we'd forgotten it was there. I know everyone had it since childhood.
It is such an honor to receive this award. We never thought the show would have an actual impact on science. So when we hear about kids who have actually chosen a career in physics because of Sheldon and Leonard, it's very humbling.
Thank you, Stephen, for your incredible support of the show.
And thank you to the science community and to Starmus for this amazing recognition.
And now we'll go back to our job trying to make people laugh.
It's a feast for imagination. And when I think of resilience, I think of Stephen Hawking, which is one of the reasons why I'm so privileged and excited to be able to support this medal.
Stephen Hawking Medal to director Todd Miller for his film Apollo 11.
He's had a fierce scientific intelligence applied to the softer and squidgier area of the arts. And that's really, I think, given a whole body of enormously influential work. It gives me enormous pleasure to give the Stephen Hawking Medal to the astounding Mr. Brian Eno.
Stephen Hawking Medal for Science to Elon Musk.
But thank you very much for this award. Stephen Hawking is one of the people I admire the most in history, and it's a great honor to receive this award. Thank you.
It gives me great pleasure to award the 2019 and the very first Stephen Hawking Medal for Lifetime Achievement to Buzz Aldrin.
I thought I was going to get a new watch also.
Come back here. With great pleasure.
Okay. I've realized that there's so many things that we have to be able to do at Mars, even before we send some people there. And the moon is absolutely the best place to do that. Thank you very, very much.
So Starmus is honored to present another Stephen Hawking Medal for science communication. For many years, Jane Goodall has been a strong advocate for improving the welfare and knowledge of chimpanzees, primates, and animals in general.
First of all, let me say what an honor it is to receive this prestigious award. And let me thank the Starmus Festival Advisory Board for voting that I should be thus honored.
And that Starmus encompasses both the arts and the sciences so wholeheartedly, with such joy and creativity, really will make this award extraordinary.
She's a rare creative type who really, truly has changed the world and inspired many of us as a hero in the arts, in music, and in deep thinking and making our lives better on planet Earth. Please welcome, if you would, for the Stephen Hawking Science Communication Award, the great Laurie Anderson.
I'm an audio professional. I know how to dig these down. Thank you so much for this. I just want to tell you one little thing, and then I have a little song I'd like to sing. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient of this award can't be here today. And I will start by saying this is David Attenborough. Many, many thanks for this fine honour. God bless you all. Best wishes, David. Ladies and gentlemen, the incomparable David Attenborough.
What a huge pleasure to be honouring Sylvia Earle. Science is all about... Sylvia Earle, please.
To put it mildly, I am deeply honored. Consider the company I'm in. It really takes my breath away to be honored with the Starmus medal. We have the best chance there will ever be to take what we have of this amazing blue miracle and go from decline to recovery, stability, making peace with nature, maybe even making peace among ourselves. Thank you, Starmus.
I think the relationship between the arts and science is incredibly important, and certainly in my work, I've taken great pleasure and great delight in trying to communicate some of what I have learned about science from scientists and how truth can be stranger than fiction. And I've tried to let that feed into my work, and so it means a lot to me to be recognized in this way with this fantastic award. So as I say, I'm sorry I can't be there in person, but thank you very much. It's a great honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Christopher. Thank you.
Science is what's going to save us all at the end of the day.